Alright guys, loaded up here in Kansas, headed for Georgia, multi-stopper, because I like multi-stopper loads. Kubota implements, and there's quite a bit to tie in this one down. I threw pretty much my whole dang near kit at this nearly. Those will be fun right there. They got multiple stops on those, so I got to separate the cones, the hardware, and good gravy. But otherwise, they're not bad to tie down. It just takes a lot of time. I think I got, I don't know, 2.5, 3 hours here maybe, by the time you figure checking in and all that good stuff. Lots of edge protection, lots of little cardboards, lots of carpet, and a crap ton of straps. But we got her, and it's time to roll. Onward and upward, right? Alrighty, we'll catch y'all later. Bye bye now.